students, in the previous class we were discussing about multiplication of matrices. Today we shall continue with the same topic. You have two matrices here, 2 by 2 matrices, 3 minus 2 1 6, 4 minus 1 2 5. So first you will check number of columns of first matrix and number of rows of second matrix, they are equal. So you can multiply them. You can multiply only if number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. Now how to multiply? First row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. This is how we will multiply. First row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. The first row, first column means 3 into 4 minus 2 into 2, 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into 5, 1 into 4 6 into 2, 1 into minus 1 6 into 5. So this is what you get. 3 4s are 12 minus 4, 4 plus 12, minus 3 minus 10, minus 1 plus 30. If you add what you get, 12 minus 4 8, minus 3 minus 10 minus 13, 4 plus 12 16, 30 minus 1 29. This is about 2 by 2 matrix. Let us see how to multiply a 3 by 3 matrix. Similar rule be applied. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. This is how you have to multiply. Now see here, what do you get? 2 into minus 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1, first row, first column. Next first row, second column, 2 into minus 3, 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Next 2 into 4, 2 into minus 3, 1 into minus 2, 1 into minus 2. 4 2 6, right. 4 1 minus 4, right. Yes. Now second row, first column, 1 into minus 2, 0 into 2, 2 into 1. Next 1 into minus 3, 0 into 2 plus 2 into 2. Next 1 into 4, 0 into minus 3 plus 0 into minus 3 plus, here you have to write plus, 1 into 4 0 into 1 into 4 0 into minus 3, 2 into minus 2. Next 2 into minus 2, 1 into 2, 2 into 1. Next 2 into minus 3, 1 into 2, 2 into 2, right. 2 into 4 plus 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 2. This is what you have. Now let us add this. Minus 4 plus 4 plus 1, minus 6 plus 4 plus 2, 8 minus 6 minus 2, minus 2 plus 0 plus 2, minus 3 plus 0 plus 4, 4 plus 0 minus 4, minus 4 plus 2 plus 2, minus 6 plus 2 plus 4, 8 minus 3 minus 4. Now see this, plus 4 minus 4 cancel, you have 1, 4 plus 2 6 minus 6 0, 8 minus 6 2, 2 minus 2 0, minus 2 plus 2 0, 4 minus 3 1, 4 minus 4 0, 4 minus 4 0, 6 minus 6 0, 8 minus 3 5, 5 minus 4 1. So this is identity matrix of the order 3 by 3. This is how we multiply a 3 by 3 matrix. Take this problem for homework. 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 1 1 1 1. Order of number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. So you can multiply this matrix. Take this as homework. Let us discuss the next problem. Three, 4, 9, 0 minus 1, 5, 2, 6, 12, 13 minus 2, 0, 0, 4, 1. Here the order is 3 by 3, here the order is 2 by 3, right? Number of columns of first matrix is not equal to number of rows of second matrix. So you cannot multiply these two matrices. So what you will write, the above two matrices are not conformable for multiplication as number of columns of first matrix is not equal to number of rows of second matrix. This is what you need to write. Whenever they are not conformable, first check whether number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. If they are not equal, you are going to write like this. If they are equal only, we can multiply. Let us discuss one more matrix, one more 3 by 3 matrix. Fourth one for today. 0 C minus B minus C 0 A B minus A 0 A square AB AC AB B square BC AC BC C square. This is the problem. Now here this is of the order 3 by 3. This also is of the order 3 by 3. We can multiply because number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. Now let us see how to multiply. First row first column, first row second column, first row third column, second row first column, second row second column, second row third column. Next, third row first column, third row second column, third row third column. This is how we are going to multiply. If you put these arrows like this, you will know better with what you have to multiply, right? 0 into A square plus C into AB minus B into AC. Minus B into AC. Let us put a plus sign here. C into AB plus minus B into AC. Right. Next, first row, second column. 0 into AB plus C into B square plus minus B into BC. Next, first row, third column. 0 into AC plus C into BC plus minus B into C square. Next, second row, first column. Minus C into A square, 0 into AB, A into AC. Next, second row, second column. Minus C into AB plus 0 into B square plus A into BC. Second row, third column. Minus C into AC, 0 into BC plus A into C square. Next, third row, first column. B into A square minus A into AB, B into A square minus A into AB plus 0 into AC. Here you can write 1 plus. Right. Third row, second column. B into AB minus A into B square minus A into B square, 0 into BC, 0 into BC. Next, third row, third column. B into AC plus minus A into BC minus A into BC plus 0 into C square, 0 into C square. Right. Now we shall add this. 0 plus ABC minus ABC, 0 plus CB square minus CB square, 0 plus BC square minus BC square, minus CA square plus 0 plus A square C, minus ABC plus 0 plus ABC, minus AC square plus 0 plus AC square. This is A. BA square minus BA square plus 0, AB square minus AB square plus 0, ABC minus ABC plus 0. So here you have plus ABC minus ABC plus BC square, CB square minus CB square, CA square A square C plus ABC minus ABC, AC square AC square, BA square BA square, AB square AB square, ABC ABC gets cancelled. So finally you have 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is a 0 matrix of the order 3 by 3. That's all for today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.